Hello and welcome to Digital Classes on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. I'm Mrs. Paul and this lecture of mine is for the students of class 12. Children, I have a little information regarding your syllabus, and it is very important for you all to note down that. The first thing is, due to these extraneous circumstances, because of the pandemic and because we are teaching online and teaching in the classes and college is suspended for a certain period of time. So the government and the UP board has made a decision of reducing your syllabus to 30%. So now whichever chapters I will be teaching to you will be as per the guidelines that we have recently received, and all the lessons which have been reduced or which have been taken off from your syllabus, I will give you a detail of those, as well as I will very clearly mention to you all those lessons which are now to be studied as a part of your board syllabus. I will make a very clear I will give you general instructions, and I will also give you guidelines on how to prepare for your examination. Definitely you will get one paper as usual, but there will be certain changes. I will very soon make a video on that, and I will give you a detailed information on everything that is required. As for now, we are going to do a lesson in poetry. The name of the lesson is The True Beauty by Thomas Carew. So today I will teach you this lesson, and I will ask you if you have any doubts, children, regarding your syllabus. You will ask me your questions, but I don't think so there will be any question of any doubts, as I will make everything very clear to you all, so there will be no question of confusion. Yes, now onwards, whichever lessons I will teach you, they will be included in your syllabus. Alright, so we start with the lesson The True Beauty by Thomas Carew. Thomas Carew was born in 1595. He got his education at Corpus Christi College, Oxford. He won the favour of King Charles I and was appointed to an office at his court. He became popular for his love of poems and many graceful songs and lyrics about the poem. The True Beauty is one of the most famous lyrics of Thomas Carew. In this poem, the poet glorifies spiritual beauty and condemns mere physical beauty. The language of the poem is very simple and figurative. The poet, children, here believes that inner beauty is better than the outer beauty or the physical charms. Thus, he is giving us a vivid explanation, a very clear explanation of what his idea is of true beauty. This poem shows that true beauty of a woman lies in her virtues and pure thoughts. Physical beauty is meaningless. It does not last long, as woman loses her beauty in her old age. This is what the poet is saying. Physical beauty is temporary. The woman who has context mind, pure thoughts and calm desires, her love will never die. In this poem, children, Thomas Carew is telling us and he makes the readers aware that the charms of physical beauty in a woman are short-lived. So the love inspired by it also dies soon. The true beauty lies in virtue, that is, a constant and stable mind, gentle thoughts and calm desires. The inspiration derived from this beauty is everlasting. So we should condemn physical beauty devoid of these virtues and should love the beauty of mind and soul. Let us see the very first stanza of this poem. The poet says here, "He that loves a rosy cheek or a coral lip admires, or from star-like eyes doth seek fuel to maintain his fires. As old times make these decay, so his flames must waste away." If you want to write the meanings of the difficult words, you can just underline them if you have a pencil or a pen ready, and you can just underline the words and note down these meanings. Star, rosy cheeks. What would be the description of rosy cheeks? Cheeks which are red as rose. coral lips, lips which have a color of coral, that is red or pretty lips. Praises means he keeps loving them, he keeps giving good words to those. Does seek fuel, keeps on trying to maintain his passion. Old time means old age. Decay means to get destroyed or to get devastated. Flames, fire or passion of love. Waste away means something that comes to an end. Now let us just put this together. This poem has been composed by Thomas Carew, but in here, in these lines, the poet is describing the meaning of true beauty to the readers. He says that the charms are not true beauty because they decay with the passing of time, but the spiritual beauty is the true beauty because it never dies. It remains with the person till the time the person is alive. Let's see what he has to say. The poet says that red cheeks like rose, or red lips like coral, and the bright shining eyes like star make a woman beautiful. But these physical charms are temporary. They die with the passage of time. These physical attractions supply fuel to the fire of love. But in old age, these attractions die away and the fire of love also dies. So a man should not be attracted by the physical beauty of a woman, but he should seek love in virtues of a woman. Virtues means all the good qualities that are possessed by a woman. That is actually something that would make a woman more beautiful. So this is the explanation of the first stanza. I will meet you soon with the explanation of the second stanza. And if you have any queries, children, you can ask me on the WhatsApp group. I will soon meet you. Up till then, goodbye, children.